Amazon has removed one of the most useful Firestick shortcuts, and I've no idea why. This is one of those small changes that sounds minor at first, but if you regularly clean up your Firestick, uninstall apps, or free up storage, it makes the whole process more annoying. And the strange thing is, I'm not only seeing this on the new Fire TV layout, I'm also seeing it on my Fire TV Cube, which has not received the new home screen yet. So this might not just be a new UI change. It could be something Amazon has removed more widely. Let me show you what has changed. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Now this is where you see all the apps installed on your Firestick. Previously, this menu had two really useful remote shortcuts. When you highlighted an app, you could press the play/pause button on the remote to quickly uninstall that app. And you could press the rewind button to quickly clear that app's cache. That meant you could move through the app list and clean things up much faster. You didn't have to open every single app one by one. You could highlight it, press the shortcut, and deal with it straight away. It was simple, quick, and genuinely useful. But now, on my devices, those shortcuts appear to be gone. Pressing play/pause no longer brings up the uninstall option. Pressing rewind no longer clears the cache. The ability to uninstall apps and clear cache is still there, but the quick shortcuts seems to have been removed. And what used to be one button press now takes several extra clicks. When you're only dealing with one app, that might not sound too bad, but if you're cleaning up a Firestick with loads of installed apps, it is much slower than it used to be. So now, if you want to uninstall an app or clear cache, you have to do it the slower way. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, then select the app you want to manage. Inside that app's menu, you should see options like Force Stop, Clear Cache, Clear Data, and Uninstall. If you want to remove the app completely, choose Uninstall. If a specific app has built up a large cache, choose Clear Cache. But be careful here, do not press Clear Data because that can reset the app, remove saved settings and sign you out. And just to be clear, I'm not saying you need to clear cache on every single app. Cache can be useful. The main thing is still removing apps you no longer use. But if one app has built up a huge cache and it's misbehaving, you now have to open that app's individual menu to clear it. So Amazon hasn't removed the cleanup options completely, they've just removed the quick remote shortcuts that made the process easier. At first, I thought this was connected to the new Fire TV home screen update. Because Amazon has changed the layout, moved settings into the hamburger menu and made the whole interface feel different. But then I checked my Fire TV Cube, which does not have the new home screen yet, and the shortcut appears to be gone there as well. That makes me think this may be linked to a wider Fire TV software update, not just the UI. So I need your help with this because I'm trying to work out whether this is linked to specific Fire TV models, certain software updates, the new home screen, or even different regions. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, highlight any app, then try play/pause and rewind on your remote. If the shortcuts still work, tell me. If they've disappeared, tell me that too, and include your Firestick model, whether you have the new home screen, your software version if you can find it, and what country you're in. So that's the change. Amazon hasn't removed the ability to uninstall apps or clear cache, but they do appear to have removed the quick remote shortcuts that made it much faster. And that is the annoying part. It's not a huge dramatic change, but it is another example of Fire TV getting slightly less convenient instead of better. I'll keep testing this across my other devices and I'll update you if it turns out to be a bug or if Amazon brings the shortcuts back. And if you want to know which settings I would change after getting the new Firestick update, that video is coming next. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with anyone using a Firestick. And if you want to fully protect your activity, especially on shared networks or third-party apps, you should be using a VPN on your Fire TV. The one I use is linked below. If you want direct help with your Firestick, access to content I can't post publicly, or priority replies, check out my channel memberships. Members get into my private chat group where I answer questions personally. Just tap join below. Give me a follow over on X and TikTok and check out the uninstall.tech YouTube channel for more streaming content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.